Here's a short and concise Tesla windshield washer fluid guide. Are you wondering what fluid to use, how to refill it, and whether Tesla requires a special type? The good news is that refilling washer fluid on a Tesla, it's simple and takes less than a minute. In this short guide, I'll show you which washer fluid to buy, where to add it, and a few mistakes to avoid. First, Tesla, it does not require a special windshield washer fluid. You can use most fluids sold at auto parts stores, Walmarts, Costco's, or gas stations. Although if you do live in a cold climate, choose a fluid with freeze protection appropriate for your area. During winter, many Tesla owners use a de-icing washer fluid. It's designed for below freezing temperatures. One thing to avoid though is plain water. Some people make this mistake, but water can freeze, promote bacteria growth, and it may damage components in cold weather. To refill the washer fluid, open your front trunk, also known as the frunk. Locate the washer fluid reservoir, open the cap, and carefully pour in the washer fluid. A funnel might also come in handy as well, but I'm just going for it. Fill until the reservoir is nearly full, then close the cap securely. That's it, no tools required. After refilling, test the system by pressing the windshield washer button on the steering wheel. You should see fluid spray evenly across the windshield. If the spray seems weak, make sure that the reservoir is filled. You can also check for clogged nozzles or have someone else look at your Tesla for you. Hopefully this Tesla windshield washer fluid guide, hopefully it helped you refill your washer fluid and also choose the right product for your area. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more Tesla tips, maintenance guides, and ownership advice. These other guides might come in handy. You'll also find the best-selling wiper fluid in the description. Thanks for watching.